Hi Sagittarius, this is your girl, the Pixie Goddess Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs from the 21st of June till the 27th of June. You've got the Page of Wands, you've got the Ten of Pentacles, you've got the High Priestess, and you've got the Page of Swords. You've also got the Temperance card. Guess whose energies these are? Of course, it's you, Sagittarius. Temperance card is Sagittarius card. Balance is being restored through isolation, paying attention to your hobbies, to your passions. If you need to just relax, meditate, contemplate in isolation, you're doing a great job. Just do it. Just go for it, guys. Ten of Pentacles. When you get out of this isolation, when you see your true potential after you have built yourself up, Sagittarius, which is going to be really soon, you're going to be attracting a lot of wealth, a lot of health, a lot of happiness. Okay, if you guys are planning on going on for further studies, this is your sign to go ahead, start something new, start something related to your passions, to your true calling. If you already know what your true calling is, you're really fortunate, Sagittarius, because you've got the Page of Swords. If you apply to colleges, schools right now, there is a high possibility that you are going to get in. Knight of Cups, new beginnings in love, new beginnings as a romantic partner. This is you, Sagittarius. I think somebody has caught your fancy and you want to approach them. In case these are not your energies, then definitely someone's looking at you as a romantic partner. But beware of immature energies. If you find that this person is a little immature, make sure you let them know that you love them, but you also need them to be a little mature in life. Judgment card. For those who are waiting for a final call, for some kind of closure from something that has hurt them in the past, or pushed them to be derailed from life, or if you've lost your job, you're going to get closure. Don't worry about it. A lot of prosperity ahead of you, Sagittarius. I'm so happy to see these readings. Yes, I may not be able to show you it, show you my happiness, but I'm very relieved because I've been getting some really heavy energies, and when I get good cards, when I get light cards for my beautiful viewers, it just helps me. You've also got the Nine of Cups, which is a beautiful wish fulfillment card. So pause this video and make a wish. Oh, don't forget to restart it. Four of Swords, as I mentioned earlier, take time to be on your own, take time to heal, take time to ground yourself, meditate, because trust me, you need that inner shadow work to be done in order to give to the world. Beware of feisty and fiery energies. Sometimes they come to harm you more than help you. Okay, so just be careful about that. Messages for my Sagittarius people. I was going to say Pisces. So a Pisces person could be important to you. You and your loved ones are safe. Don't worry about that. A time for healing. Again, a Four of Swords energy. Surrender to the divine. Things that you can't control, you need to surrender. What do you need to release? Control. Sagittarius, you need to release control. Let's see some affirmation cards for you, Sagittarius. My faith has the power to turn trauma into healing, conflict into growth, and fear into love. I recognize that I have chosen fear and I choose again. I choose love. Anything that is born out of fear doesn't last for very long. Sometimes we start following certain religions because we are afraid that if we don't follow, something will come after us, something will punish us or something like that. If you don't follow certain people, the society is going to go against us. This has happened a lot with people who are trying to rebuild a better society, but their ideas don't match with the ones that are already existing, and that causes a little turmoil here and there, ruffles some feathers, and things go a little awry. But guys, just have faith. If you love something, go after it. But don't hurt anyone in the process. Don't disregard someone's feelings in the process. And don't hurt yourself also in the process. If this reading made sense to you guys, please like, share, subscribe. It really means the world to me. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you. Bye guys.